Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make this big and simple shawl using 2 balls of Lion brand Scarfie yarn. It's made with the V-stitch, which is very simple and works up fast. You can find a free written pattern on my website. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this pattern I've used Scarfie yarn and crochet hook size 10 mm. We will start with a chain 4. In row 1, we will work 1 V-stitch in the 4th chain from the hook. A V-stitch is made by working a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch. At the end of the row, we turn our work. In row 2, we will chain 3, which does not count as a stitch, and we work 2 V-stitches in the chain space from the previous row. So we work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, one double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. To make it easier, I highly recommend to use a stitch marker so you can easily see on which side of the shawl you need to make increases. In row 3, we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in each chain space to the end. So in this case we work 2 V-stitches. In row 4 we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in each chain space to the end. In the last chain space we will work 2 V-stitches. Row 5 till 28 we will repeat row 3 and 4. So we work 1 row with 1 V-stitch in each chain space, and in the next row we will increase in the last chain space. At the end of row 28 you should have 15 V-stitches. Row 29 till 31 we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in each chain space to the end. This means in the next 3 rows we do not increase. Row 32 we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in each chain space to the end and 2 V-stitches in the last chain space. You now have a total of 16 V-stitches. Row 33 till 35 we will work 1 V-stitch in each chain space without increasing. In row 36 we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in each chain space to the end and 2 V-stitches in the last chain space. Row 37 to 47 we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in each chain space to the end. So again, in the next 11 rows we will not increase, and we will have 17 V-stitches in total. In row 48 we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in each chain space to the ends. In the last chain space we will work 1 double crochet stitch. You now have a total of 16 V-stitches. Row 49 to 51 we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in each chain space to the ends. Row 52 we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in each chain space to the end and 1 double crochet stitch in the last chain space. Row 53 till 55 we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in each chain space to the end. Row 56 we will chain 3, work 1 V-stitch in each chain space to the end and 1 double crochet stitch in the last chain space. Row 57 we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in each chain space across. Repeat this till the end of row 81. I will see you at the end of row 81, where you should have 2 V-stitches left. Row 82 we will chain 3 and work 1 V-stitch in the first chain space and 1 double crochet stitch in the last chain space. Now we have 1 V-stitch left. Row 83 we will chain 3 and work 1 double crochet in the last chain space. And that's it. Make sure to weave in all the ends and you're done. Also, a big shout out to my lovely granny who modeled the shawl for me. I think she did an amazing job. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!